The message of today brought to you by Archangel Gabriel. Beloved beings of light, over the next 2 weeks, you may experience moments of disorientation or confusion. However, you will also notice an increase in your energy on many of the days. This is because your new DNA is being updated, propelling you to a higher level of vibration and consciousness. It's essential that during this period, you remain aware of your emotions and thoughts. Avoid allowing negative emotions or sad thoughts to dominate your mind and heart. Maintaining a positive and enriching attitude will be key to making the most of this transformative stage. I urge you to be selective about the information you consume. Steer clear of indulging in bad news or negativity, as these energies can impact your well-being and generate uncertainty. In the world you live in, worries are often magnified to create fear and anxiety in people. Don't let these energies affect you. Focus on cultivating inner calm, serenity, and connection with your higher self. Utilize practices of conscious breathing, connecting with nature, and moments of tranquility to attune yourself to divine guidance and inner peace. Remember that you are a being of light and love, and you have the power to elevate your vibration and create a harmonious reality. Let's make this decree together. With the blessing and power of Archangel Gabriel, I invoke the light and divine protection in my life. In this sacred moment, I open my heart and being to the loving and benevolent presence of Archangel Gabriel. Archangel Gabriel, protector of divine messages and guide of inspiration, I ask that you envelop my being with your mantle of light. May your purity and clarity shield my path and mind from any negative energy or unwanted influence. May your sword of truth and discernment dispel any confusion or doubt that may hinder my path. May your celestial trumpet resonate within me the melody of inspiration and creativity, guiding me towards my higher purpose. In every step I take, in every word I speak, in every thought I harbor, I ask for your guidance and protection. May your light illuminate my path, revealing the opportunities and challenges that lie before me. In the name of divine love and light, I am thankful for your constant presence in my life. I trust in your guidance and protection, and I am strengthened by your energy. May your blessings flow upon me, my loved ones, and all aspects of my existence. So be it, and so it is, Amen. What a beautiful message and decree from Archangel Gabriel. Remember that during these 2 weeks, allow the energy of Archangel Gabriel to guide and inspire you. Trust the process of DNA updating and maintain faith in your spiritual journey. We are by your side to provide support and protection on this transformative journey. With love and light, I am Zoe, voice for We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We care for you deeply. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If this content resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments, and share. Together, we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.